To create a business page in Facebook, you first need a personal profile. You can see mine here. Now, if you don't have a personal profile, then first check out my How to Create a Personal Profile in Facebook and then come back to this one. Now, if you do have a personal page, then all you have to do is log in and come up here to the right-hand corner and click on the Settings button. Scroll down where you can see Create Page and click on that. You'll see that you have a couple of options on the types of pages that you can create in Facebook. You can see artist or band, entertainment, cause and community. Now, if you're a business, you really have two options: local business or place, company or organisation. For brand or product, that's only really if you're selling a particular product across a bunch of different stores, like Coca-Cola does. So going back to these two options, the local business or place is really if you have a bricks and mortar business. So you have a retail store where you want your clients to come and visit you. If you don't have that type of store, you're more a consultant, freelancer or an online business, then company, organisation or institution is probably your best bet. So just for the purposes of this tutorial, that's the one we're going to do. So click on that. And you'll see here that you get a choice of category. Now there's many categories from banking organisations, causes, health and beauty, education, consulting, business services, and so on. So I'm going to choose consulting and business services for my page. The next thing is to type in your company page. As this is a fake company for the purposes of training, I'm going to call it the Productive Company. Good if I can spell correctly. Okay, you also need to tick that you agree to Facebook page terms. Now, I really recommend that you read those. Take a moment to do that because there are rules that Facebook put on us in using pages, and if you break them, they will shut down your site. And I've known some big companies that have broken the rules and have had their pages wiped with thousands of fans, and it's no fun because you have to start again. So make sure you read the Facebook page terms. Now, the next step is click Get Started. Now we come to the setup page. Now, actually pretty much all, except for this little piece here, information can be changed at a later date. So you can update, edit as you go along. I'm just going to briefly fill this in so you can see what happens. But for my description, I'm going to write that I'm going to put in my actual website because this page will actually be on Facebook, and if someone comes in here, I'll redirect them back to my actual page. And then, now choose this wisely. You can only change it once if you make a mistake, but generally you want it to be your business name. So make sure you spell it correctly and make sure that it is exactly what your business is called. No ambiguity here is the best for marketing purposes. Whoops. As I say, no spelling mistakes. So, is the Productive Company a real organisation, school or government? I'm going to say yes. You should say yes for your business. Will the Productive Company be the authorised and official representation of this organisation? You will say yes, I'm going to say no. And I'm going to just add in my other page. Now, all of this next pieces of information I'm going to leave, but you can upload a photo from your photo album very easily. But we'll skip this for now because we'll go back and do that later. Again, adding your favourites. This is actually adding it to your own page favorites, your personal profile, so you can get into it much easier. So let's do that actually now. Next. We're not going to create an ad just now because we haven't put any information in our page. We want to wait. Let's skip that one. Okay, as you can see, you've got a fairly blank page. Now, it's a little different to your personal page. As you can see, you've got an admin panel up the top here. And you can invite some of your friends and this is what it looks like roughly. Similar to your personal page, but not exactly the same. Now, the final thing I'll do here before finishing is click on Edit Page and update page info. And you'll see across the top here it says admin roles. So these are where you can choose who has the right to make changes to your page. Now, obviously I made this page, so I'm there. But if you want to add another admin person, you just click on Add Another Admin, and you just type in their name, and you've got a choice of whether you want them to be a manager, content creator, moderator, or advertiser, insights analyst. I would go, if it's not you, then go with content creator, because they can pretty much do everything. If they're a person of total trust, then you can make them as a manager as well, and then just save your changes. For editing the rest of your page and adding information, check on the next tutorial.
Okay, sorry, I forgot one last thing. Just so your page isn't published to the world before you're ready, you can actually make it not visible. So go up to the Edit Page button and click on that, then click on Edit Settings. Now you'll see the first one says Page Visibility, and it will be published, so we can turn that off. So click on Edit, click on the square in front of Unpublish Page, and then click on Save Changes. Now, of course, to then publish a page when you're ready, just go back and do exactly the same thing, untick the box, save changes, and it will be published to the world. Okay, that's it for now. Bye.